What's up? Andrew Pawlak here, co-founder, CEO at leadPops.com, here to do another Dartboard marketing video. Today we're talking about virtual events. So before I even get into the lead funnels tie-in, just let's talk about virtual events in general. Lots of opportunity to get a whole lot of people involved, a lot easier than an in-person kind of event. Obviously, you don't have to think about all the logistics, the renting of the space. I mean, there's tons of reasons to go virtual with this kind of stuff. Not to say that in-person events aren't really special and their own unique opportunity, but they were focused on virtual and all the things that make it a value add for you and for your potential clients. So the idea is it can be done in real time. It can be a live event, obviously. The recording of it can now be used over and over again to get in front of people that were not able to attend. That's wonderful. The idea of having a guest or some person there who's got a big following or audience that can create value for your viewers as well is a big one. If you're not one of these people that's a big influencer, if you don't have a big following online, getting people to show up to your event, I mean, that's a big part of it, right? Getting the registrants and getting those registrants to then show up. There's a whole cadence and work you have to do to put into this stuff. So, making sure you're promoting it in all the right channels, making sure you're giving people value and benefit-based copy and promotional materials that talk to them about why and what's in it for them if they do attend. Focusing always on that with any marketing messaging is absolutely critical. And the actual content of that virtual event should be really focused on like 90% value, 10% little kind of upsell. Hey, come talk to me. I can help you. Really needs to be a lot more than just a sales pitch. People tune out and they get turned off a lot by these kinds of events where all of a sudden you're like in a timeshare meeting, sales pitch type thing. So really think about what is the value you can provide. Spend a majority of the time educating, creating value, teaching, providing people with something they can take away and walk away from the event feeling like a lot more than just a sales pitch. And then good, strong call to action, of course, at the end is critical for them to get in touch with you and to do a one-on-one consult. Talk to the expert. Here's how I can help you one-on-one. Here's a takeaway, and that's where things like go to this link, go to this website, download this guide, go to a lead funnel that starts to ask more questions of the right kinds of event attendees. There's going to be always a portion of the people at the event that are good customers and the timing is right. We want to be able to really get those people to kind of raise their hands and say, hey, I'm interested. Let's talk. If you had 300 people to an event, that might only be like 15 or 20 of the attendees that are right there right now, a good potential person for you to really spend time with. We want to get those people an easy path forward to talk to you and to show interest. So a good call to action, then taking them to a lead funnel is a great opportunity to start asking more information, collecting more information about your prospects so that way you know how to help them. So that creates an opportunity for them to engage with you, give you some more information, and then you have the right people and the best people to follow up with in the immediate. Long term, this creates a nurture campaign. The people that aren't hot right here, right now might be in 6 months or 12 months. So having a good cadence, follow-up campaign, text message, email marketing, retargeting on social media, all kinds of cool things now that you've built that list that you can do to get the most out of the people that maybe aren't going to close in the next 30 or 60 days, but down the road, they could be great clients. They could be referral sources. Lots you can do with these lists. So promoting it is key. Creating value is key. Giving the best people a path to connect with you with a good call to action is going to be absolutely critical. And then again, I mentioned this kind of briefly, but think about who else maybe can you invite to the event who could be a guest contributor or someone that you have a good rapport with, that you kind of mesh well with, that you have a good chemistry with on camera. If it's probably a Zoom recording or one of these, you're going to want to be able to vibe with that person well, but they might be able to create value for your customers. They might be the star of the show, and that should be okay too. And they might have a big audience or following that's going to tune in, and now they're promoting and magnifying the amount of reach you have to the right people as well. So think about this kind of stuff. Lots of opportunities here. Lead funnels are always great for any kind of event marketing that you're doing. Bring people from that event into that lead funnel as part of your strategy, and you'll get the most out of these types of events. So hope that was helpful. If you'd like to talk to the lead pops about virtual events, in-person events, open houses, internet marketing, promotion, all that good stuff. There's a link in the description. Make sure you click that. That'll connect you with our team of marketing advisors. We're super excited to talk to you. If you like this video, please do comment, like, share it with people that can get value from it, and I'll catch you soon with another video.